With this, you won't spend a single cent on electricity. It's a solar light that never runs out. Just open it to light up your entire home and close it to turn it off. It has its own solar panel and charges itself with sunlight. Forget looking for power outlets. One charge can last for months. Plus, it has a front light as powerful as a car headlight, and it even works to charge your phone in emergencies. Whether for camping, fishing, or a power outage at home, this is pure safety. Attention, today we're sending you 4 units for the